So if we are doing 3b minus 1 to the 4, having an exponent of 4 is telling us we're going to have 5 terms. So if I draw Pascal's triangle off to the side, the fifth row has 5 terms. That's the one that I'm going to use. So in my expansion, let's move this down a little bit. In my expansion, I can already put the coefficients 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and spread them out. Now I'm going to do my first term. I'm going to underline it here in green. That's my first term in my binomial is 3b. And what's going to happen is we are going to have 4 of them in our first term, then 3 of them, then 2 of them, then 1 of them, and finally none left. I'm going to underline my second term, which is a -1, in purple. We're going to start with none of them, then 1 of them, then 2 of them, then 3 of them, and finally 4 of them. And all of these terms will be added between them. So Pascal's triangle and the patterns we've noticed allow us to set this up. And once it's set up, now we can simplify. So what I'm going to do for simplifying is I'm going to simplify all of the exponents first. So this may take a little bit longer, and there's probably some shortcuts that you can do. Probably you wouldn't keep writing this 1 here, but I'm going to do it just to show that I am multiplying that exponent first. I'm going to keep the 4 there. 3b cubed would be 27b cubed, and I would still have a -1 there. 3b squared will be 9b squared, and -1 squared, when I square it, is +1. -1 cubed is still -1. And -1 to the 4 is +1. So first of all, I just simplified the exponents. I kept my 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 there. I simplified each of my exponents. And now, how do I multiply these out? I'm going to multiply all my coefficients together and multiply my variables together. So I'm going to get 81 times 1 is 81, so I'll have 81b to the 4. 4 times 27 times a -1 will be -108b cubed. 6 times 9 times 1 is 54b squared. 4 times 3 times the -1 is -12b plus 1. So after simplifying each of my exponents, then I can multiply everything out, and it's simplified completely. I can't add any of those together because none of them are like terms, but we have expanded this completely. And it's probably faster than had you done it by hand and gone 3b minus 1, 3b minus 1, 3b minus 1, 3b minus 1, multiplied 2 of them out, and then multiplied it completely and combined like terms. So this, it's not super fast, but it is faster than multiplying it all out by hand. So I'm going to get you to try questions 3 and 4 right now.